Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Channel. Today we are discussing best affordable gaming laptop. Most of the people use the laptop for professional purposes, but some people prefer using the laptop for gaming purposes. There are various types of gaming laptops available in the market. If you are going to use the laptop for gaming purposes, then initially you have to decide whether you are going to use it for online streaming or offline games. The online streaming is the latest technology that allows you to play games through the online internet. Online streaming technology requires a lot of space in the RAM as it creates a lot of caches and the user will have the requirement to multitask since they will be playing the game with friends online. For online streaming, the data should be displayed without any interruption and further. It is essential for you to have a good processor and RAM. Some online streaming platforms like the Twitch demand certain specifications from the laptop for continuous running. When you are trying to buy a laptop for gaming purposes, certain things need to be considered, like having a good screen with a graphic card that supports the display. The resolution of a screen should be perfect and the battery life should also be useful. Gamers have to view the details correctly and play efficiently, so having a good laptop with a high quality screen and keyboard is essential. Understanding the game requirement, as some of the branded companies have come forward and designed special laptops for gaming purposes alone. Purchasing this model laptop will be suitable for your needs and make your work much easier. Let us now view this model in detail and see what features you take a look into while purchasing a laptop. Brand. When it comes to purchasing a laptop for gaming purposes, only a few brands have released laptops worthy for gaming purposes. The brand of laptop indicates the quality and efficiency of the laptop. When you purchase a gaming laptop from a well-known brand, you can be assured about the research that they might have put into developing that laptop because the quality is more critical for such brands. Purchasing a branded laptop will allow you to experience proper servicing when there is an issue with the laptop's hardware or software. Having a good branded laptop will provide you confidence because they can withstand external temperatures and pressures more than the other normal laptops. Budget. The next important feature that you need to decide before purchasing a gaming model laptop is the budget. Selecting on the budget will allow you to easily choose the model and prevent you from buying a laptop for a lower or higher price than intended. Try to purchase a laptop with a budget of at least 60,000 to 80,000 rupees because having a gaming laptop requires many features, including a high quality screen and keyboard. Buying a budget laptop will not be suitable for gaming because eventually the laptop will crash down, unable to withstand the pressure. Most of the gaming laptop models introduced by the well-known brands fall within this price range, and they come with a rugged outer cover to prevent them from external pressure. So purchase a laptop within this price range for good quality and experience in the future. Processor. When you are trying to purchase a gaming laptop, there are certain requirements that you need to fulfill. The online streaming technology demands a good laptop with a proper processor that can function continuously for hours with no interruption. The first important feature that needs to be considered is the processor. The processor is responsible for processing the inputs and producing a proper output. Every function and activity that runs within the laptop is passed through the processor before displayed to you. So you need to have a good quality processor so that the laptop will generally function with excessive speed and quality. There are variety of processor and models available in the market. Still, you must have a good processor for a gaming laptop that will support the game software despite them being online or offline. You can also go for the AMD Ryzen model processor, but they will not be efficient for your requirement. So the best option is to choose the Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, which are well known for the gaming capabilities. Most people prefer choosing the i7 processor, especially the gaming laptop models present in the market that have the i7 processor commonly. They are well efficient and can withstand the heavy mechanism of gaming software. Screen quality. The next important feature that you need to take into account is the quality of the screen. as a gamer, or you will have the requirement to view even the smallest details present on the screen. Having a laptop with a 13 and 14 inches size will not be sufficient for you because they will not be comfortable while playing a game. So when you are going for a good quality screen, try to choose a model with at least 16 to 17 inches screen size. When the screen size is large, the quality will be good and the images will be comfortable for you to view even when you are sitting at a particular distance from the computer. Since you will be spending a lot of time in front of the computer, you must have a UV protected screen that will prevent your eyes from getting exposed to unwanted radiation and excessive light. If you want to have further control over the laptop's lighting, you can purchase a model that has automatic adjustment of brightness level. While playing games, the color plays a major role. Some of the powers can be chosen based on the colors. So the color displayed on the screen should be perfect and they should have the ability to show the game correctly with the proper colors. The next important concept that you need to consider is the resolution of the screen. The screen's resolution is directly proportional to the clarity of the image that appears on the screen. The resolution of the screen is decided based upon the number of pixels present. When a screen has more pixels, the quality of the image will be perfect. The LED or OLED laptops are more suitable for gaming purposes as they provide HD quality resolution. If you want a good resolution, you can go for the screen with 1080 pixels. The screen is an important part because without a good screen, it is practically impossible for you to play the game efficiently. Graphics card. The graphic card is an important feature in a laptop used for gaming purposes. They are responsible for or maintaining a proper display, and since the display has a lot of work during games, you need to have an extra gaming card. Normally, there will be an integrated card within the processor, but for an extra boost-up, choose a card with 2 GB storage. You should go with an NVIDIA or AMD graphics card for a good effect. RAM. The random access memory, commonly known as the RAM, is the essential feature of a laptop. The RAM is otherwise known as the temporary memory of a laptop because they store the software's details temporarily while it is running. This RAM will allow the software to run at a faster rate without loading from time to time. When you are purchasing a laptop, make sure that it has good random access memory storage so that you can run multiple games at the same time. Normally, when you are playing a single game, occupies a lot of temporary memory in the background, especially if it is an online game. So you must have RAM storage of at least 8 GB so that you can run other software in the background. Suppose you want the laptop to be much faster and efficient, then you can go for 60 GB memory RAM. When you are playing 2 games simultaneously, then it is essential to have good RAM. Disk drive. From the moment of the computers have discovered, the disk drive concept was also brought into the world. The disk drives are nothing but the permanent storage devices used for storing all the details of the computer in an administrator section and serves as a personal storage device for your photos and memories. When you install multiple software on your laptop, you will have the requirement to install a proper storage device so that the computer can function normally. Initially, people were using the hard disk drive, a form of the storage device. They are a form of magnetic disk that can store a lot of data with the development of computer models. The hard disk drive storage capacity increased up to 1 TB. But recently, people have started using a new storage device called the solid state drive, which is more powerful and easily available than the HDD. This device allows you to save the data efficiently and even when exposed to external damage, the data will be intact. They can be retrieved easily. Most of the gaming models, laptops in the market come along with both of these storage devices in a combined form of proper efficiency. Purchasing a solid-state drive laptop for gaming alone is impossible since they have low storage capacity, which is 512 GB. So choose a model that is combination of both the drives for efficient storage. Webcam. Web cameras are essential for gaming laptop because you might sometimes play along with your friends through an online game. During the time, having a video chat will allow you to communicate your plans to friends and feel their presence with your room. So while purchasing a laptop, make sure that it has a good quality web camera. The laptop integrated cameras will be fine for your requirements. Some people prefer using a high quality individual web camera for chatting purposes, but it will be practically impossible for you to carry them everywhere. Sometimes as an online game player, you will have the requirement to suddenly play a level when you are outside. During that situation, using the web camera will be more useful and not an ordinary camera. So purchase a web camera with the quality of at least 6 MB for a better video chatting and online gaming experience. Audio system. As a gamer, you will understand the requirement for having a good audio system. The laptop will have integrated audio that will allow you to hear the sounds of the game perfectly to experience the game completely. Playing without a sound is poor quality sound is the same. So purchase a laptop with an integrated audio system that can be produce the sound clearly without any distortion. While purchasing the laptop, make sure that it has a properly integrated microphone so that you can talk clearly and chat with your friends while playing the game. One of the online gaming systems' major requirement is to have a proper microphone and audio speaker that allows you to converse simultaneously with your friends and play the game with expertise. Quality keyboard. The next important thing you need to consider while purchasing a laptop is to have a high quality keyboard. For most of the online games, you will have to use the keyboard for navigating and shooting. So in such situations, the gamer will have the requirement to press the buttons forcefully. During such situations, having a high quality keyboard will allow them to play the game efficiently and also maintain the keyboard for a long time without any replacement. The keyboard should have a proper feather touch technology so that you will be able to play the game efficiently just by a single touch. Since most of the games include using the control and space key for certain actions, you need to have them placed nearer to each other. This keyboard will allow for a fast movement and efficient playing. External connectivity. The next important concept that you need to check while purchasing a gaming laptop is the external connectivity. As a gamer, you will have the requirement to connect your laptop with external devices like television screens, huge projectors, or computers for good effect. You need to have an HDMI port to transmit HD quality streaming to the other devices during these situations. Also make sure that your laptop has proper USB ports to connect them to external storage devices and audio sockets. Along with these features, the next important feature that you need to consider is to have a good battery so that you can play for longer hours. Purchasing a laptop that has more than 10 hours of battery power will be suitable for your requirement. There are variety of laptops present in the market. Choose the best laptop model that will suit your gaming requirements. It will always best for you to select at least 2 or 3 brands with the designs before making the final selection. These are some of the models that you will find to be suitable for your requirements. Watch them to understand in detail and make the correct choice. Best International Edition Laptops. Number 1. Acer Predator Helios Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen, backlit keyboard with good sound. Number 2. Asus TUF Gaming Laptop. Description: AMD Ryzen 5 processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen size, Wi-Fi technology with hard outer cover. Number 3. Lenovo Legion 5 Gaming Laptop. Description: AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 50 inches screen, extra graphic card. Number 4. HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 16.1 inches screen size, backlit keyboard with thin model design. Number 5. MSI GF63 Thin Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen size, integrated graphics card with slim model technology. Best Indian edition laptops. Number 1. Acer Nitro 5 Thin and Light Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen size, integrated graphics card with a low weight of 2.3 kilograms. Number 2. HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen size, integrated graphic card with a beautiful black card. Number 3. Asus TUF Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD plus 256GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen size, thin model laptop with integrated graphics. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Full HD Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB RAM, 1TB HDD plus 256GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen size, integrated graphics with low weight technology. Number 5. Dell G3 Gaming Laptop. Description: Intel Core i7 processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen size, integrated graphics with low weight technology. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Product channel.